This is what we are given for example 6. And the first question asks to find the acceleration parallel to the plane. So to find this value that is parallel to the plane, we know that this can represent the gravity on the object, and we know that the acceleration is equal to this value. This line is parallel to each other, these two lines. So, knowing that this is 30 degrees, we can say that this is 30 degrees as well. And the value of A here is equivalent to mg sine of theta. So, if we wanted to find the sum of all forces, the sum of all the forces, which equals mass times acceleration, and we're looking for our acceleration, we know that this force going in this way plus this force going this way, which we've determined is mg sine theta, will equal the sum of forces. So we're going to say this is positive and this is negative direction. So mg sine theta minus F equals m times A. So we can solve this by plugging in our values. We know that the mass is 2, gravity is 10, sine 30 minus 15 equals 2 times A. And we can divide both sides by 2 so that we can find A. And our answer will be negative 5 over 2. And because it is negative, we know that the acceleration is moving this way. This way. And so our acceleration equals negative 2.5. Now, question B asks, what force will leave A 0? What force will give us an acceleration of 0? In order to find this, we can use the equation that we previously had. So we know that the sum of all forces is this. But we want to know what additional force will give us an acceleration of 0. So if we plug in 2, 10 sine 30 minus our force of 15 newtons plus F equals 0, we can begin to solve the problem. So we will isolate F by adding 15 to both sides, and we'll have 2, 10 sine 30 plus F equals 15. And we can subtract this from both sides, and we will have F equals 15 minus 2, 10 sine 30. And if you put that in your calculator, the answer you get will be 5 newtons.